What we've got here is my 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited Edition. I had these Eagle Eye headlights put in, and I didn't like them because the LED strip would only come on when the headlights were on, not as driving lights. So I had them rewired so that they would come on. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. So the only way before I had them rewired for those bad boys to come on was if the headlights were on. So now I have them wired so that when the car comes on, those bad boys come on, and that's all that comes on. Let's shut this off. So I had somebody ask, so how did you do that? Well, I didn't do it. I hired it out. This is above my pay grade. And I wasn't going to ask the dude, hey, how'd you do that? So I promised that I would put a video on here and show as best as I could how the wiring was done. Now, it's really hard to get at. If anybody's worked on these stupid things, it's really hard to get at. I've taken out the air filter, the air intake, so I could get at it a little bit. This is the driver's side, of course. And this is about as good as I'm going to get to showing you. And I'm sorry, this is as good as it's going to get. Okay. This is going to show anybody what they want to see. It is what it is. Okay. The dude did a really good job. Exactly the way I wanted it. Okay. So then what he did was he wrapped it in foil plastic, right? And he ran it, zip tied it underneath here. Okay, there's a zip tie. And he ran that underneath there. I will tell you this, he took the front bumper off. So he ran it all the way across here. Did the same wiring for the driver's, or for the passenger side. Ran it through here. Took the braided cable here. Drilled a little hole in the fuse box. Okay. And plugged it right into that one. That fuse. Okay. Sorry. That's the best I'm going to be able to get at without tearing this thing apart. Hope that helps. You bet. Bye-bye.